Is this the bike app you need? In 2026, cycling apps are everywhere, promising everything from structured workouts and performance analysis to community challenges and real-time coaching. One app that's been generating a lot of buzz lately is Mywoosh. It markets itself as a comprehensive cycling companion, capable of tracking rides, creating custom workouts, analyzing performance data, and connecting you with other riders. But with so many options out there, the real question is this: is Mywoosh actually worth your time and money? Or is it just another fitness app dressed up with fancy marketing? Let's dive in and find out. When you first open Mywoosh, the interface feels modern and inviting. You're greeted by a clean dashboard, clear ride stats, and easy navigation. Tracking your ride is simple. GPS connection, start ride, and you're off. For many users who just want basic pace, distance, and elevation data, Mywoosh delivers smoothly. Unlike some cycling apps that feel clunky or slow to respond, Mywoosh's core tracking features work reliably most of the time. But an app is more than just ride tracking. Mywoosh also promises smart coaching plans tailored to your fitness level and goals. Whether you want to train for a century ride or simply improve your daily commutes, the app offers structured plans that adapt as you log more rides. For beginners or intermediate riders, this can be a real advantage. It takes the guesswork out of planning workouts and gives clear targets to aim for. However, if you're an advanced cyclist looking for deep performance metrics or race-level planning, Mywoosh starts to show limitations. While the basic coaching plans are solid, they lack the detailed physiological insights you get from more established training platforms. Things like power zone specificity, lactate threshold estimation, and advanced recovery tracking are either missing or not as robust. For serious racers or high-performance athletes, that's a noticeable gap. Another big part of any bike app experience is community and challenges. Mywoosh has a social component that lets you join group challenges, compare performance with friends, and share ride highlights. In theory, this feature should help keep you motivated and engaged. In practice, the community isn't as active or as large as you'd find on platforms that have been around longer. Many users report that group rides or challenges feel underpopulated, which makes the social motivation factor weaker than expected. Let's talk about integration. A lot of cyclists use smart trainers, power meters, heart rate monitors, and cycling computers from brands like Garmin, Wahoo, or Zwift. Mywoosh integrates with some of these devices, but not all. Compatibility is decent, but riders with high-end gear might find they still need a second app to pull all their data together. That lack of seamless integration can be frustrating if your setup is more advanced, or if you like having all metrics in one centralized place. Price is another important consideration. Mywoosh isn't free forever. The core tracking features might be available at no cost or with a limited trial, but the full suite of coaching plans, performance analytics, and premium content typically requires a subscription. For casual riders who only want basic stats, that fee might not feel justified. And when you stack it up against competitors that include more advanced features at similar prices, Mywoosh's value proposition starts to look less compelling. So who is Mywoosh actually good for? If you are a casual or intermediate rider who wants simple, reliable ride tracking, solid beginner coaching plans, and a clean user interface, Mywoosh can definitely be a helpful companion. It gets you started, keeps you moving, and gives you guidance without overwhelming you. If you're a serious cyclist, a racer, or someone who relies on deep performance data and device integration, Mywoosh may feel like a stepping stone rather than a destination. You might start with it and then transition to a more powerful platform as your needs grow. In 2026, the bike app space is crowded, and every app has its strengths and weaknesses. Mywoosh earns points for ease of use and beginner-friendly coaching. It loses points for limited advanced metrics and a smaller community. So is Mywoosh the bike app you need? The honest answer is this: Mywoosh can be a great fit if your cycling goals are casual or intermediate. But if you're chasing peak performance or race-level training, you may want to look elsewhere or use Mywoosh in combination with other tools. If this review helped you decide whether Mywoosh is worth your time in 2026, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one. And let me know in the comments, what features matter most to you in a cycling app? Stay strong, stay pedaling, and I'll see you in the next one.